A blood orange mimosa. What we have here is fresh squeezed blood orange juice. I love the color of that. It's a little sweeter than just regular orange juice. Of course, you can just use regular orange juice if that's what you got. But if you can find blood oranges, use them. They're great. Then to that,
well, they're in season right now.
Yeah, they're in season. I mean, it's winter. That is blood orange season. So I'm going to add about an equal amount of, I'm using Grand Marnier. You could use, Grand Marnier, of course, is brandy with orange flavor in it. You could also use orange liqueur like a triple sec or a Cointreau or a Curacao. But I think, I don't know, something about Grand Marnier just says holidays to me. I don't know why. And then I'm going to add a little bit of orange bitters. Bitters, I love using bitters. They're like what spices are. Just added a dash or two there. What spices are to cooking, bitters are to cocktails. It adds this like little special something that you're like, what is that flavor and how did it get there? And it's because of bitters. So now I'm going to ice down my shaker here. And as you can see, I have a couple of champagne flutes there that I've iced down before I made the cocktail. I just put some ice and water in them. And that way, by the time the drink is mixed, they are nice and cold. I'm going to dump this out. Got my little handy wet bar back there. And then I'm going to strain my little blood orange Grand Marnier.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Look at the color there, isn't it lovely?
Wow.
Grand Marnier mixture. Already, I could just drink that. But it is a mimosa, so you need to top with champagne, which we have right here. Nice and chilled. Everything's cold. The glass is cold. The champagne is chilled. I just shook the rest of the ingredients with ice, so you have a nice, brisk, cold mimosa. And then, just to gild the lily, as you say, I have a blood orange here and what's called a channel knife. You could also use a vegetable peeler. And I just want to twist a little bit of blood orange rind, skin over the top. And I'm facing it down so that you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but all these oils are coming out of the skin.
And into the cocktail.
And into the cocktail.
Wow.
So it's going to really flavor that beautifully.
Well,
there you have it.
You can't fit it into a stocking, honey, but thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas Eve, everybody.
Merry Christmas Eve.